at the forefront of innovation. Guangdong Leiyi Optoelectronic Technology. As a leader, create a quality monument. Since its establishment, we focus on the application field of LED, flexible, transparent film display. It is a national high-tech enterprise. The company is located in Dangguan City, Guangdong Province. It has a product exhibition hall covering an area of 1,000 square meters, has accumulated multiple core technology patents, and operates a 6,000 square meter intelligent production base. Fully automatic production line running at high speed. Dust-proof environment. Technical expert team. Escort for your individual customization. Global foreign trade business covers more than 60 countries, covering mainstream display application markets such as Europe, North America, Asia Pacific, the Middle East and Latin America. Humanized intelligent office system, a dream hatchery that stimulates creativity. We firmly believe that Reefilm and our products, it can provide customers with a stronger competitive advantage and higher added value. We sincerely invite global partners to join hands and create a win-win situation.